Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the LG Tone earphones. So these retail for around £100, depends on where you get them from in the UK. Really like the design of the case. Small, compact, really smooth matte finish. It's really nice and will fit comfortably in any pocket. So it has USB Type-C charging around the back, a light indicator on the front along with a little lip there for the lid, and a button on the side, and that is pretty much it. It's nice and clean. It also supports wireless charging as well, so you can put this on a wireless charger. Open up the case and it exposes the two glossy earbuds. And at the bottom of the case you can see the Meridian logo. This is powered by the Meridian Advanced Audio technology. So the earbuds are nice and small themselves. It's got the silicone earbuds, as you come to imagine on all sorts of earbuds nowadays. The glossy chassis with microphones built in there and also sensors. For the metal contacts on the stem, there are 3 metal contacts there. And when you pop these back into the actual case, this blue neon light activates. And this is the UV nano technology. And apparently it kills 99.9% of bacteria. So if you did pick up any bacteria on the earphones, you pop them in the case and it will kill any bacteria left on the earbuds, which I think is a really cool trick. So the earbuds are a comfortable fit for my ear holes. Perfect actually, I haven't needed to change the earbuds on them at all. They go in just nicely. You also get an audio indication when you put in the earbuds as well. Now in the box you do get a couple more earbuds, USB Type-C charging cable, and you get a user manual as well. Now I've got these in at the moment and I've got something called ambient sound, which is enabled at the moment. That basically allows you to hear what's going on in the room, so you don't have to take the earbud out to hear someone talking. So if you keep your finger on the earbud, then it turns ambient sound off. It's pretty much active noise cancellation in a sense. So now it's quite dead. Like I said, they fit nicely. And now I'm going to pair to my phone. Oh. No, not paired.
New Captain Morgan.
Come on. Currently connected. No, you're not. Connect. Okay, so they're not connecting. I think I might know why. They might still be connected to my PC downstairs. Let me go and disconnect. Okay, so yeah, they were connected to my PC downstairs, which is quite impressive because I live in a townhouse. So I've got ground floor, first floor and second floor here. These are on the ground floor, so Bluetooth signal's great. Now it's popped up on my phone. If you can see that at the top there, it's found LG earphones. I'm going to click that. Tap to pair. They're connected. Connected. So I'm half volume at the moment. Turning up. I might be talking a bit louder now. My promises, you know. Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. And that's a good feature. It detects when you're taking it out of your ear, so the music has now stopped. Let's put it back in. it did start again, but I accidentally touched the side for it to pause. So that can be a bit fiddly. So I need to press that. Press that. Started. 1, 2. There's nearly a 3-second delay of it stopping. Now I've got to try and get this back in my ear without touching the side. Stopped. Very, very good. Very good start. Crisp and clear sound quality, most definitely. So, let's jump in again. A really bassy track, like I always do, with Boasty, Idris Elba. Let's see what we've got. The track there. Take it out. Stop. Yeah, it's about a 3-second delay slightly when taking them out to stop. That was the Boasty track, which is a really, really bassy track. These are not really, really bassy, but they are really good sound quality. There is a nice amount of bass in there. It's not too overloaded. There's a sort of a nice balance in there, but if you're after something really, really bassy, then these might not be for you. But the sound quality is really, really good. It is absolutely crystal. Now I'm going to try my hard trance track, Banging Globe, all the time. Let's pop these in. Yep. They're loud. Again, really, really good sound quality, guys. Again, maybe not as powerful and bassy as other earphones I've tried, but if you're after clarity and nice, clear, crystal audio, these are really, really good. So these would be perfect for pretty much anyone, unless you're a big bass head and you want something a bit more in-your-face bass. You may have to look at something a little bit different than these. These are also sweatproof and waterproof, so all you people who go to the gym and go running, I don't even know what all that means, these will be perfect. Small, compact, and go in your little gym bag or whatever. And they can last up to 6 hours apparently on one charge, and it'll just support fast charging as well. 5-minute charge with 60 hours playtime. So links in the description below, guys. Any questions, then please put them down below as well. Please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.